Dear students, in this lesson we are going to see some different model sums. If y into root of 1 minus x square plus x into root of 1 minus y squared equal to 1, when modulus x less than 1 and modulus y less than 1, find dy by dx. Let x equal to sin theta, y equal to sin phi. Sin phi 1 minus sin square theta, sin theta 1 minus sin phi equal to 1, sin phi 1 minus cos square theta, sin theta 1 minus sin square theta equal to cos square theta, here cos square phi equal to 1, sin phi cos theta plus sin theta cos phi equal to 1, sin a cos a plus cos a sin b equal to 1, sin theta plus phi equal to 1, sin a plus b equal to 1. Theta plus phi equal to sinus of 1, sinus of theta, sinus of x, sinus of y equal to sinus of 1. Differentiating with respect to x. One by root of 1 minus x square plus 1 by root of 1 minus y square into dy by dx. It's a constant. If you differentiate, answer will be 0. 1 by root of 1 minus y squared into dy by dx equal to minus 1 by root of 1 minus x squared. Therefore, dy by dx equal to minus root of 1 minus y squared by root of 1 minus x squared. The same result will be obtained in some other model also. X and root of 1 minus y square plus y into root of 1 minus x squared equal to 1. Let x equal to sin theta, y equal to, instead of sin phi we can take cos phi also. The previous method I take sum is y in root of 1 minus x squared plus x and root of 1 minus y squared equal to 1. Previously I take sin x equal to sin theta, y equal to sin phi. Instead of that you can take x equal to sin theta and y equal to cos phi. So sin theta root of 1 minus cos square 5 plus cos 5 root of 1 minus y cos 5 1 minus sin square theta x sin theta 1 minus cos square 5 equal to 1. Cos 5 cos square theta plus sin theta sin square 5 equal to 1. Cos 5 into cos theta plus sin theta into sin 5 equal to 1. Sin a plus b cos a cos b minus sin a sin b cos theta minus 5. This is also cos a plus b formula. Cos a minus b cos a cos b plus sin a sin b equal to 1. Theta minus 5 equal to cos inverse of 1 theta sin inverse of x 5 cos inverse of y equal to cos inverse of 1. Differential with respect to x 1 by root of 1 by root of 1 minus y square dy by dx equal to 0. Here minus of, if you differentiate cos inverse of y, minus 1 by root of 1 minus y square, minus minus plus, then dy by dx equal to minus root of 1 minus y square by 1 minus x square. So y into root of 1 minus x square plus x into root of 1 minus y square equal to 1. Let f equal to y into root of 1 minus x squared plus x into root of 1 minus y squared minus 1. You differentiate partially with respect to x. This is dou f by dou x. That means it's a differential of partially with respect to x. That means whenever differentiate with respect to x, you have to take y as constant. You have to take y as constant. For this one, 1 by twice root of 1 minus x squared into minus 2x plus for x and so on. Y is constant. Keep as it is. 1 minus y squared. For this is 0. This will be cancelled. That is root of 1 minus y square minus xy by root of 1 minus x square. Like that, dou f by dou y. Differentiate partially with respect to y. In this case, treat x as constant. For y, 1 minus x squared constant plus x is constant 1 by root of 1 minus y squared into for y squared minus 2y. So, root of 1 minus x squared for root y 1 by 2 root, this will be cancelled, minus xi by root of 1 minus y squared. So, dy by dx equal to minus dou f by dou x by dou f by dou y. This is the formula. So, minus of root of 1 minus y squared minus xy by root of 1 minus x squared whole divided by root of 1 minus x square minus xy by root of 1 minus y square. So, equal to minus 1 minus x squared 1 minus y squared minus xy divided by root of whole divided by, if you take LCM, root 1 minus x squared root 1 minus y squared minus xy divided by root of 1 minus y squared. These two terms will get cancelled. Therefore, minus root of 1 minus y squared by root of 1 minus x squared. This is the method. If root of 1 minus x power 6 plus root of 1 minus y power 6 equal to a cubed into x cubed minus y cubed, then dy by dx. Option A, x squared by y squared root of 1 minus y power 6 by 1 minus x power 6, y squared by x squared 1 minus y power 6 by 1 minus x power 6, x squared by y squared 1 minus x power 6 by 1 minus y power 6, none. Let x cubed equal to sin alpha, y cubed equal to sin beta. So, root of 1 minus x cubed the whole square plus root of 1 minus y cubed the whole square equal to a cubed into x cubed minus y cubed. 1 minus sin square alpha 1 minus sin square beta equal to a cube for this sin alpha, for this sin beta. So root of 1 minus sin square means cos square. If you take root, cos alpha plus cos beta equal to a cubed sin alpha minus sin beta. Cos c plus cos d, 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. 2 cos alpha plus beta by 2 cos alpha minus beta by 2 equal to a cube sin c minus sin d. 2 cos alpha plus beta by 2 sin alpha minus beta by 2. So sin c minus sin d equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. So cos alpha minus beta by 2 equal to a cube sin alpha minus beta by 2. Cos alpha minus beta by 2 divided by sin alpha minus beta by 2 equal to a cube. Cot alpha minus beta equal to a cube. Alpha minus beta equal to cotanus of a cube. Alpha minus beta equal to 2 into cotanus of a cube. Alpha means sinus of x cubed minus sinus of y cubed equal to cotanus of a cubed. Differentiating with respect to x. One by root of 1 minus x cube the whole squared. For x cube you get the answer 3x squared. Chain rule. Minus 1 by root of 1 minus y cubed whole squared into 3y squared. For y we have dA by x, right hand side constant. If we differentiate, answer will be 0. So minus 3y square by root of 1 minus y power 6 into dy by dx equal to minus of 3x square divided by root of 1 minus x power 6. So dy by dx equal to minus 3x square by root of 1 minus x power 6 into root of 1 minus y power 6 by minus 3 y squared. So minus 3 minus will be cancelled, that is x squared into root of 1 minus y power 6 divided by y squared into root of 1 minus x power 6. So option A is correct in this sum. Next, so we have seen logarithmic differential in the previous class. So for example, y equal to x power sin x. Find dy by dx. So variable has the power variable. So in this sense, we apply logarithm on both sides. Log y equal to log x power sin x into log x. Here we have log y differentiating with respect to x, 1 by y into dy by dx equal to cos x into log x plus sin x into 1 by x. So dy by dx equal to y into cos x log x plus sin x by x. In place of y, you can write x power sin x cos x into log x plus sin x by x. The same sum another method. D by dx of variable power variable. You can treat as d by dx of variable power constant plus d by dx of constant power variable. You can apply this. Whenever you have variable power variable, you can differentiate like this: d by dx of variable power constant, d by dx of constant power variable. You see, y equal to the previous sum, x power sin x. X power sin x. Here you can treat as constant. So dy by dx equal a single step you can write. If you treat as constant, sin x x power sin x minus 1 is constant, nx power n minus 1. It's okay. Plus you treat as constant variable. Constant means a power x log a. So x power sin x into log x. Further, if you differentiate sin x, the answer will be, if you differentiate a power x, y dash equal to a power x into log a. So x power sin x, a power x, that is a power x, log a, that is log x. If you differentiate sin x, answer will be cos x. If you take sin x, it is x power sin x by sin x plus x power sin x into log x into cos x. If you take x power sin x in common, that is sin x power x plus log x into cos x. You can apply this easily without any problem. If f of x equal to x squared x cubed 1 2x 3x squared 0 to 6x, find f dash of x. So for f dash of x, first differentiate first row 1 2x 3x. You keep second and third row as it is 1 2x 3x squared 0 to 6x plus you keep first row as it is x squared x cubed. You differentiate second row 0 to 6x, third row as it is plus you keep first row as it is x squared x cubed, second row as it is 1 2x 3x squared. You differentiate third row 0 0, that is 6. So that these two rows are identical. The answer is 0. Here these two rows are identical 0. Expand using third row 6 into downward 2x squared minus x squared, that is 6x squared. So this is the type of differentiation of determinants. So first you have to differentiate first row, you have to keep second and third row as it is, then keep unchanged first and third row, differentiate second row, plus you keep unchanged first and second row, differentiate third row, and will expand, will get the answer for differentiation of determinants.